She said, that's how you do it? Oh, bear with me. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Swab, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. And that's on what? Period. So y'all, today is a little cute get ready with me. We're gonna do a little chit chat, talk about what's been going on, why I've been MIA, and you know, my coming back to Miami journey, I guess. Y'all gonna see all the details about that in the video, so we ain't gotta talk about that right now. But yeah, y'all, we just hit 10K. Did y'all know we hit 10K? Because we hit 10K. So I'm really excited for that. Thank you for everybody who supports me, everybody who comments on my videos and says I'm funny or whatever the case is. Like, I really, let me look in the lens so y'all can know I mean business. But, because I be looking at myself, but I think that's just a Leo conceited nature in me. But I really do appreciate y'all for subscribing to my channel, for always commenting on my videos. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Fuck with y'all. Go catch the vlog of this outfit, and that's gonna be the vlog that has the giveaway announcement details. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me. But let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? So yeah, I'm doing a get ready with me today. Today we're gonna have a get ready with me and a vlog. I need to hurry up and do my makeup, number one, because I need to be out the house at, I'm talking fast as hell. Slow down. So I'm doing a get ready with me. I need to be out the house by 2. It's currently 1:12, 2:30 the latest, because I got stuff to do. A lot been going on, like, especially like I don't think I ever really discussed with y'all how I feel like living back in Miami, because y'all know I used to live on my own in Italia. I had my own apartment with my sister, and now I live back with my parents. So, you know, of course it's a major adjustment. You live on your own for, me and my sister was living on our own for 4 years, almost 5. So, like, just coming back to Miami, it's definitely different. Not like, of course I've lived with my parents before. Oh, hold on. It's an adjustment, like, because I'm older now. So, you know, I moved out of my parents' house. I had just, the day I turned 18 is the day I moved out of my parents' house. Me, my sister, and my mom, we drove up to Tally on the day of my 18th birthday, because I think school was starting that Monday. And I don't know what day my birthday fell on. Or school was starting, I don't know. School was about to start, like college was about to start. So my birthday is August 19th. So my birthday always been like around the time school going back in. I moved back down basically right before I turned 22. So I'm 22 now. I just turned 22 August 19th. So I don't know. I think everybody really has to adjust to, like, when you move back with your parents after you've been gone for so long, I feel like everybody has to learn to adjust to who you are now. Because you've been away for so long, and plus, you know, you've been on your own. So, of course, you became a new person, you know. People don't stay the same. Stay all the way the same forever, at least. You know, certain things won't always stay the same, but it's a lot of things that change as you get older. And I feel like that's just what I'm, like, trying to adjust to. Me being an adult now, living back with my parents. But I don't really mind, though. It's just, I don't know, it's just different, and it's something that I have to learn to adjust to until I go back into the world on my own again. But I did redecorate my room. I don't think I ever seen the room in my house. My room was so ugly before. It was so like tomboy, high school. Ugh. But now it's like giving That's So Raven when she redecorated her room. I got my little carpet wall. One day I'm gonna do a room tour, but my room not officially done yet, so that's why I haven't done a room tour. But yeah, so besides living in my parents' house, I have to adjust to living back in Miami as a whole, because Miami is a whole different ball game compared to, like, Tally ain't got nothing. And I mean nothing. Well, no city in Florida got nothing on Miami. Because Miami's not a part of Florida. Miami is its own thing. And I think people fail to realize that. Well, people try to fail to realize that, but them other cities, they know what's going on.
No shade, friend. I know you're from Florida, and every time you absolutely are Florida.
I'm from Miami, though.
Right, Miami, Florida.
No,
so I know
Miami-Dade County.
Florida is a state.
Yeah, it is.
Miami is in the state of Florida.
Miami is in a state of its own thing. Okay. That is not Florida.
Right, yeah,
so don't ever disrespect me again.
But, but yeah, I have to adjust to living back in Miami. Like, people come to Miami, visit, hoo-ha-ha, whatever, but it be hot outside. And by hot outside, I mean, freaking police be outside. Like, last night, I was out with my friend. It was police on every corner, even by my crib. And this usually don't be police by my crib. And I don't know if that's because Miami is about to shut down again, or whatever the case is, because our cases are spiking. Because it's been fairly cold in Miami, honestly. I don't know why it's cold in Miami. Like, well, it's not cold today, thank God. But yesterday, it was like 60. And y'all probably like, that's not cold, but bitch, for a Miami girl, that's cold. Like, I was chilly. Okay. And I'm also adjusting, like, to dating life in Miami, because dating life in Cali and dating life in Miami is like two different ball games too. Because, you know, when you date in college, you around a whole bunch of different people from a whole bunch of different cities. Like, you don't know who you're gonna come across, and everybody different. But Miami, everybody pretty much the same. Like, everybody know everybody. Like, even if you think somebody don't know you, somebody knows you, and somebody told somebody about you, period. I wouldn't say I've been really dating per se in Miami, because I already know how these Miami get down. I definitely do want to start dating though, because I know I'm finna be back here for a while. But it's like, I don't know, I be seeing stuff on Twitter where they be like, oh, you date to marry, which is true. Like, when you get into it with somebody, the end goal is to marry them. Like, if I don't like you, I'm not the type of person, I wasn't the type of person that was able to say, like, you know, I'm just not feeling you, I'm not feeling it. Because me, I don't like to hurt people's feelings, because I know I'm such a great catch. Motherfuckers can't get enough of me, okay? So it's like, I don't like to hurt people's feelings, and so it's just like, now, like, these days, I just be like, I'm not feeling it, sorry. Or I'm not even sorry, I'm just not feeling it. Like, if you don't, like, catch my attention by, like, within that first week, you a dub, period. Like, I'm not gonna sit up here and play no games with you. I don't like you. Like, you know, you cut everybody off for one person, and then that one person turned out to be the worst out the bunch. That's what had happened to me, y'all. So I had cut everybody off for that one person, but I'm kind of happy that happened to me, because the people I was talking to, well, the people that was talking to me, like, that's what I always say. They be talking to me, because if I feel like it's one-sided, I be like, you was talking to me. I was happy that happened to me, because the guys that was texting me, like, they was a drag. Like, they wasn't, Next year I said I was gonna, like, start going out by myself more, so, like, I could meet new people. Because, you know, they say, like, when you go out by yourself, like, you meet more people. Like, people are more likely to come up to you and stuff like that. But I don't know how this will work in Miami, because Miami is, like, one of the top rudest cities, and I can vouch for that. People here are very rude, and that's including myself. I ain't even gonna lie. I wouldn't say rude, but it's a certain lingo that we use amongst each other that may come off rude to people who are not from here, but it's not that deep to us. So, I don't know, we got tough skin, I guess. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna start just going out by myself more, going out to eat by myself more, and just see where the world takes me. Like, who I meet, who I come across, what connections I could possibly make. You know, I need to drink some tea, because I've been a little sniffly since yesterday. Finna eat Shookin' today, and Shookin' and Java is a restaurant in Miami. So if you come to Miami, go eat Shookin'. Shookin' is that girl, okay? Shookin' is that girl, and they got dessert, and it's good too. So go to Shookin'. What time is it? Oh, 1:28. I'm doing good on time, low key. Go follow Suave Label, Suave, because I got a collection coming out next year. So I know y'all really gonna like this one. This one is the one. So everybody who wanna look like that girl gonna wanna wear what I got. Like, I don't fuck off. Period. Get that head, get that bread, then leave. Then leave. Get that head, get that bread, then leave. I just finished doing my hair, so now I'm ready to go. First, I gotta stop to the bank, pull some money out the bank. Then I'm gonna go to the fabric store, and then I'm gonna head to Chicken. So let me text group chat and see who I wanna go to Chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. You know, I already know y'all enjoyed the video, but you know, if you want to see my outfit, deets and stuff, go catch the vlog, because I'm going to show the outfit that I'm wearing on the vlog. But y'all can get a little sneak. I just cut this top this morning, but it's a black tank top. I got on the flannel. I wanted to wear my sister green flannel, but she out of town in Orlando right now, and she took it with her. So I just wore my tan flannel since it matched my shoes anyway. So it is what it is. Your girl is back. We got 10K. And also, go catch the vlog for this, because I will be announcing the 10K giveaway, what you have to do to win the giveaway since we're at 10K. So go catch that vlog. Bye, y'all. I love y'all. Peace. I've been telling niggas lies, I'm split up on my time between 2 or 3 guys, cause I can't make up my mind. I know I'm so indecisive, and I know that you don't like it, and I never let my guard down, but you steady trying to wipe it. Oh no, don't you see that I got baggage? My heart's way too hard to manage. Oh no, I ain't give a nigga my trust. Tiana Taylor, you do not leave the music game, girl. Bad with me. You gotta bad with me.